Yo, what is going on YouTube? I am Germ here. Today, as you guys can see up on the screen, I wanted to talk a little bit about Rewalk Robotics. This is ticker symbol RWLK, and the reason we're talking about this one is it was up 99.23% on the day. Now, yes, after hours, it has given back some of those gains. This stock's down almost 17% after hours, but when you are up 99% on the day, you can be down 17% after hours and still have an absolutely massive day, still be up absolutely huge. And honestly, at that point, you're kind of expected to give some back after hours just because people are going to be profit taking. People are going to probably be overreacting to whatever happened that had the stock up 100% in the first place. People are going to be shaken out. People aren't going to want to hold it overnight when, they're sitting on some massive gains and everything like that. So in this video today, we're going to be talking about exactly what happened with RWLK, why it's up so big, and maybe what the future has in store for it as well. So definitely drop a like if you guys do enjoy this video. I would appreciate it so much. Subscribe to stay up to date on all my latest content, and consider checking out the first link in the description below if you want to receive a free stock just for getting signed up on Robinhood. With that being said, let's get right into this one. So this is a pretty small company overall, $120 million market cap, seeing some crazy gains today. Year to date, this one has been very volatile. This one got caught up in like the February meme stock madness where, all the low flow, all the kind of just small cap companies, all the penny stocks were really going crazy. They were so volatile back then. So the 52-week high for this company is around $6. So if you bought it at $6, obviously $2.59, you're not doing so hot. But year to date, this thing started out the year at $1.36. You're up 90% year to date. On the week, this thing, if it loads, I think we started out the week at around $1.50 or something like that. I don't know why this won't load right now. But yeah, we started the week at $1.28. We're up 102% on the week. So, just depending on when you bought into RWLK, it kind of is going to change your outlook and perception on how the stock has been. Overall, it's been very volatile. But as long as you weren't buying the absolute tops, you're probably having a decent year in the stock so far, honestly. There have been a lot of downs, but there have been a lot of ups as well. A lot of flat periods, which are great for accumulating shares. And then, you're ready for these 90, 100% gainer days that it has. But what exactly happened today that has the stock going crazy? This article from investorplace.com explains that RWLK stock short squeeze watch. What to know as Rewalk Robotics investors burn the shorts. They're trading, incredibly high volume today. Obviously, if you see 100% gains, it's usually going to be on pretty big volume, even if it's just people getting in after the fact. But Rewalk Robotics stock is surging higher on Tuesday as a short squeeze has retail and meme stock traders pumping up the shares. The medical device company that creates exoskeletons that help disabled people walk again is catching the eye of investors despite a lack of news today. So obviously 100% gains with no big news coming out on a small market cap stock company. In this day and age, 2021, the year of the meme stock, I guess, and 2020 as well, really, you're going to be looking out for short squeezes. You're going to look for people who are pumping stuff on Reddit, on, Twitter, everything, all different kinds of social medias. Sometimes it's real short squeezes. Sometimes it's just people saying there could be a short squeeze. And sometimes, there is the people who think, the tinfoil hat conspiracy stuff that it could just be, hedge funds looking to pump some of these stocks up as well. But no matter what, you got to be careful because obviously these things are super volatile. And a lot of people yesterday didn't even know that RWLK existed or what they did. So now today, after you're seeing them up 100%, you're going to have all the FOMO. You're going to want to buy in. You're going to want to be a part of the short squeeze. You're going to want to burn the short sellers, all that stuff. And right now, after it's 100% up, the risk is way higher than it was yesterday. And there was tons of people who bought it at $6 back in February, and obviously they're not feeling too good. Previously they were down like 80%. Now they're down like 60%. So even after 100% up day, you're still kind of feeling bad. So you definitely have to be careful. But obviously, we've seen some short squeezes and some pumps be sustained for extended period of times, and some people make a lot of money that way as well. This has several major stock trader accounts on Twitter calling out RWLK as it soars higher. Some are noting the price target of $3.50, which again, right now we're sitting at $2.59. After hours, we're down to $2.15. So if this thing got up to $3.50 from there, that'd be a very good profit. A good reason to boost it higher. For comparison, the stock was trading at $1.30 yesterday. While retail investors come together to burn the shorts on RWLK, what does this mean for the average trader? There's no harm in keeping your eye on it, but expect some risk and just know that yes, this is absolutely a high risk, high reward potential play. It's firmly in the penny stock territory, which means it's easy to manipulate with its low entry price, and it means you might see the stock fall once again because yes, if people are staying at $3.50 price target, yeah, you could see some very, very good upside here, but know that just yesterday, this thing was $1.30. Just earlier today, this thing was $1.51. So, those numbers in the near future, if not tomorrow, are absolutely on the table and definitely things that we could see. So, if you do like the company, maybe it's a long-term investment for you. It's a good chance to buy. If you just want to get involved with meme stocks and pump and dumps and all that stuff, be very careful, know what you're getting into. Just know that, some people look for volatility. Some people love volatility. They see it as a way to make money. Some people hate risk and want to stay away from it altogether. But at least now you know a little bit better what's going on with RWLK. But that is pretty much it for this video today, guys. Definitely drop a like if you did enjoy it. I would appreciate it so much. Subscribe to stay up to date on all my latest content. Leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think about RWLK. I would love to hear your guys' thoughts and opinions. So hopefully I catch you guys in the next one. But until then, peace.